Okay, first we're going to take our strawberries and rinse them off really well. Hey y'all, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. I am Chef Fred, bringing you the best tips and skills for everyday cooking. On this channel, we help you not only learn how to improve your cooking skills, but also review equipment, tools, and strategy. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and ringing that bell notification so that you can be alerted to all of our new uploads. If you are returning, welcome back. Now let's get into today's lesson. Now in a crock pot, pour some warm water, and we're going to use this warm bath to keep our chocolate nice and soft while we work with it. Now take our strawberries and pour them out over a paper towel, and then we're going to take another set of paper towels and we're going to pat dry the strawberries. It's important to get them as dry as you can so that the chocolate can stick to the strawberries. So to keep the strawberry from falling off of the lollipop stick, we insert the lollipop stick into the chocolate and then insert that chocolate coated lollipop into the strawberry, and it keeps the strawberry onto the lollipop stick. Okay, so let's coat some strawberries. We give it a little stir to get it nice and stirred up, and then we'll just simply dip our strawberry into the chocolate coating, and then we're going to just tap the stick to knock off all the excess chocolate. We just alternate between the white chocolate and the chocolate to make a nice bouquet. We just continue to coat as many strawberries as you want to put in this particular bouquet. And there we have it, chocolate covered strawberries. I got this little container at the Walmart in the Valentine's section, and then put a piece of styrofoam in the middle to stick the lollipop sticks into. Please share, like, and comment on this video. I read all the comments and try to respond to as many as I can. Until next time, cook something great, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.